Why would you? Why? What did I do to deserve this?
Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a really weird Astro that I met. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, this has been a very weird run for me. Hope you enjoy. Oh, Ahmed.
Yoink!
Astro, you mother piece of sh.
Sorry, I got a bit too far, didn't I?
Astro, I swear to God. Adding Bakugo to the conversation is absolutely insane.
I thought we were done with the My Hero Macadamia thing. Now there's this mother.
This Astro sure loves to say some very unique words, I must say. Astro, stay the hell away from me before my twin hits you with the slipper.
Ugh. Brother, ugh.
I feel so bad for Babette. She's a victim now. Yes, of course I want therapy after what I just witnessed. Not only this Astro is weird, but it's also dumb too. You gave stamina to who? You piece of shit. Sometimes in Danny's world, I'm either surrounded by kind people or some weird people. Who are you calling obese? Take a look at Cole. You see how fat she is? Y'all, please don't take that seriously. I love Cole, but it's just... why is she so big? I'm gonna rip off Astro's wig one day. One day! Why the did it whimper? What's happening? Distracting this weird Astro is more scarier than distracting Twisted Pebble. Even the mains are afraid to go near him. He's freaky. Twisted Shelly just love to come at the wrong time.
I swear to God.
Look what you've done, Astro. Now my poor twin is depressed. Come here. Do this machine to make you feel cleansed after what you just witnessed from the abomination of a tune. Can someone else do this? Yeah, okay. Because I don't feel like doing it. Because I hate how small Beth's skill check is and how slow her extraction speed is. No way. Oh my god, I feel so bad for Sprout. Oh my god, Astro is definitely one of those Moonberry shippers. Oh my god. Why is Astro so obsessed with Sprout? Why? But you were already really freaky to begin with. How else are you gonna get more worse? You mother piece of stupid son of a you're an ugly mother. Sorry, I got a bit too far there, but I had to say it because that Astro really got on my nerves. Oh my god. I'm done. I'm actually done. That Astro said some really inappropriate stuff, and I'm done. I want to leave this run so bad. Sometimes I hate players in Dandy's world, and I love some players. Wow. Dandy World is such a wholesome game, right guys? Right? This Astro is gonna start crying his eyes out. Well, I don't know, maybe once he realizes every inappropriate word he said is gonna be shown by thousands of people on the internet. So yeah, that's how it all happened. And guys, please don't report this Astro. If you want to, go ahead. If you don't want to, then don't. But I think it's best if you don't report him. I don't know, it's not my choice, it's yours. But I hope you all have a nice day. Bye, my dumplings.